Here's a sneak peek at the project that we'll be creating today. We're starting with a quick trip to the Home Depot. First, we're going to find the boards that we'll use for the top and the bottom of the tower. Then we're going to go and find our zip ties to hold together the bag holders. And last, we need our Lazy Susan piece. Oh, and let's not forget some screws. In total, our supplies only cost $37.14. Next, I went to IKEA.com and I ordered these plastic bag holders online. A list of all supplies can be found in the description box. I ordered extra just in case I wanted to make a miniature version, but there are directions on putting them together on the back of each bag holder. I'll be priming and then painting these two wood pieces. Because this is going to be painted white, I want to be sure that the color from the wood does not bleed through to the white paint. So I'm going to make sure that they're primed first. Now we're going to start the assembly process. On the bottom piece, I'm attaching the Lazy Susan. Next, I put together the bag holders, and the part of the bag holder that opens up, we place that onto the bottom, and then we screw that onto the base. Whenever we get ready to measure, I wanted to make sure that they were all going to be approximately 3 inches apart when they stood up. So that's why I'm using the square to measure in between each one of those pieces. Now I'm going to use those twist ties, and I'm going to attach the second set of bag holders to the top of the first set. So we're putting open side to open side because the flap on the top of the second bag holder is going to be attached to the other wooden piece. So here I have a completed vinyl storage tower. Now I'm just organizing all of the vinyl by type. And here you have a completed vinyl storage tower. For more inexpensive design inspiration, be sure to spend your weekends with Winnie.